Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how to install SQL Server Integration Services or SSIS in Visual Studio 2022 and walk you through creating your very first SSIS project. If you are a developer, data analyst or someone working with ETL processes, this video is perfect for you. Let's dive in. Let's open Visual Studio 2022. For SSIS, you need to make sure you have Visual Studio 2022 installed. If you don't, visit the official Visual Studio website, download the Community, Professional or Enterprise Edition and install it. Let's install the SSIS extension. So open Visual Studio 2022, go to Extension, click on Manage Extensions. In the search bar, type Integration Services and select the SQL Server Integration Services project extension. Install it. It will take some time to download and then you can install it. Okay, it is downloaded. Let's install it. Okay, here we will select our product Visual Studio 2022. We need to close some processes. We close Visual Studio 2022. Click OK. Click on install. Okay, so it is installed. So let's open Visual Studio 2022 again. Now that we have installed SSIS, let's create our first project. In Visual Studio, click on create a new project. In the search bar, type integration. Select integration services project and click next. Provide some name and create a project. SSIS package designer opens up. You will see the SSIS package designer interface. Let's take a quick tour of it. At the top, you see tabs control flow, data flow, parameters, and event handlers. The control flow tab is where you design the overall workflow of your package, right? Like connecting tasks and setting precedence constraints. Next is the data flow tab, which focuses on moving and transforming data. You shall see this tab to define the source of your data, right? How it is processed and how it is stored. On the left side, you shall find the SSIS toolbox. This contains all the tasks and transformations you will need for your ETL process, right? Below you have the connection manager section where you define your data source connections. Last is the solution explorer on the right, which organizes your project files including your packages and configurations. That's a quick overview of SSIS interface in Visual Studio 2022. Now you are ready to start building your own ETL packages. In my next video, I shall show you how to create a data flow to connect to a database and run your first package. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.